everyone, welcome to Painting with Jess. Today I will try this fun poppy flower painting. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm just using a wet sponge and some different colors of gold, bronze, and copper. So we'll see how this works out. I haven't tried this technique with these colors before. Just basically I wanted to put down some color behind what I'm going to be painting. But I didn't want just the regular background. I wanted something a little different. I'm also going to be doing kind of a blue, light blue at the top to represent some sky. And hopefully that'll look good. We'll see. Just trying to have some fun with the paint, see what happens, doing different techniques. So now I'm going to add a bit of blue. Okay, so I think we'll let this dry and then we will start painting the poppies. So right now I'm doing the buds of the flower, the poppy flowers. These are just the flowers that haven't opened yet. When I'm done these, you'll see I'm going to go over them again once they're dry with some more paint before I do the poppy flowers. So now I'm going to do a few more poppy stems before I do the bigger flowers. Okay, so now I'm going to continue working on the flowers a little more. Okay, so I decided I want a little bit of darker area in the bottom here, just to kind of look a little better. So we'll see how we can do that. 1 second. We're gonna try, I think, just a little bit of copper instead of gold at the bottom, and it'll be a little darker. I just found it was too bright.